Okay, now I have learned to observe. But can I actually tell a story with what I see? I am Vidita and this is day 3 of becoming a travel documentary filmmaker from scratch. So today I gave myself a challenge. Tell a story without saying a single word. No voiceover, no interviews, no music telling the audience what to feel. Just the footages. I went outside and looked for something ordinary, something I normally wouldn't think twice about. I tried to turn those little moments into a beginning, a middle, and an end. Honestly, it was not perfect, but for the first time, I was not just taking pretty shots. I was trying to tell a story. And maybe that's where filmmaking actually begins. And that is one step closer to my first travel documentary.
নাইলে ৬০ টাকা নাই বেচবো ওই যে বাংলার মানুষ যদি পাড়া ইয়া